Aha. Oh yeah. Ciao, nice people. Welcome to the stream. Wait, am I missing the... Ah, I just changed a bunch of options, so I hope it really works. For example, here I have the microphone. Okay, hello and hello, Laubufra. Welcome. Oh, nothing is locked today. Well, today I kinda forgot to update the paratable, but today we should work on adding the Twitch interaction on RPG Maker or something like that. Hopefully it works. Also, plot twist, I'm trying to stream on TikTok. It works. It works. Okay. I'm trying to do some domain expansion or something like that. Hopefully it works. I have some decent results for now. Hello, hello, Maximum Sharpie. How would that even work? I'm glad you asked because I also need a reminder of how it works. For me, it's magic, but we managed to do it. So we need a lot of steps, to be fair. But we made them all the previous times. Let's see. First, we need our Twitch integration code. I did some 2 months ago. You can see here the comments are logged. You can see that people write stuff and it will appear here. The main expansion Purple Maker. Here I don't even need to look at the chat because I have the chat. The main expansion Purple Maker. Yeah, you could call me Purple, I suppose. Okay, so first step is this one. I can see and then elaborate what happens here. And I think that's just the only step we need for the basics. For example, here, there is still a bug, but you can see here we have La Bafra and Maximum Sharpie already in the game because the server logged your comments and sent them to the game when it launched. There is a bug though, when you launch the game it appears twice, but it should only appear once. We have a kinda lot of La Bafra here. It's a bug we need to fix later though. And hello Zoro. Oh, maybe Zoro will join as well. Well, let's swap one La Bafra for Zoro. We need to have a balanced team. Oh yes. Okay, this is the basics. Those are the basics. Now, of course, the auto battle. I don't remember what happens. You can type explosion to do a special attack, right? How was it? No, it was a nuke. If you type nuke in chat, you will nuke. I think though we acted earlier. A double attack? Huh? This is so meta. I'm sorry, I stole your kill, Zoro. Okay, those are the basics. Though, as you probably have guessed, the nuke is a hard-coded skill, which I remove later because it's for beta test purposes. Bonk! Oh yeah, I got bonked very hard, especially by the nuke. So, what I want to do now is a way for players to permanently learn skills in the course of multiple streams. It's easier said than done, but it's possible. So, the first idea is this. So, the game stores all the information of the players here, in the player's info. And here you can see there are all the infos of the players. We have RPG Waldorf, which is, oh, it's me. It's Return of Ilian and everything. For now, it doesn't store anything. Like, I don't store experience, I don't store skills, but you can see I'm storing, I set up the game to remember every information I want. So I think should be enough. So we want to store the information here, or even before design how we want the feature to be used. How do we want the players to unlock skills? I don't really want them to be able to unlock them by leveling up. I may want to give a command for that, like a Twitch command in chat that I write it and people learn skills from the moment. Or at least first implement in the game and later see what to do with that. Okay, so should be relatively easy. I already have the example on me. I can use skills 35 and 26, which are, let's see, paralysis, yeah, right, and 35, rock. Made through redeems. Yes, the redeems also would be cool, though I still don't. I want to have create a shop. I am envisioning a cool thing, a shop. There is an NPC here that during the stream someone talks to, and the shop starts for every player. But you use channel points, so the shop, the bot will automatically edit my Twitch rewards from the chat. Those ones. It will automatically change the Twitch rewards we have here, adding items from the shop. So you can buy items in the game by using channel redeem points. Though the edit channel reward is the only epical I don't have working. Like, I need to find out how to make it work. So we may add a shop later in the development after I figure out how to call it. Oh, hello Rex, welcome. He's altering the memories. Well, don't worry, last time we deleted Michael Primo memories a lot of times. Like, we deleted Michael Primo a bunch of times to set up it correctly. Finally, something to spend on coins. Yeah, Zoro will be happy because he's the richest man here. That isn't just 100 explosions. I should add a reward that is like 100 explosions in a row for 20 minutes straight or something. Meanwhile, I'm working on my own RPG Maker project. Oh, that's cool. What are you doing? I'm curious. Also, I usually play games from other devs, but mostly in the Critipedia stream. So, the idea is this. We store here the name of the skills that, or the skills ID that a player can learn. So we should have it easy. Let's see, where is it? Should be this? No, yeah. We should have a plugin for that. Let's see. We can have this one. So this should be relatively easy, right? We need just to insert a number here. If we put a number here, suddenly Returnophilian can use skill number 11, which is nothing. Great, that's awesome. Oh, hello Manu. I'm making entirety of Final Fantasy XIV RR. What's the Final Fantasy XIV R? Is it like a pirate or something? R. And I'm making a roguelike in RPG Maker, I'm not coding. Oh. I remember there was like a challenge on the Italian forum about making a game without coding. I came like second for whatever reason, I had no experience. I used awful graphics, but okay. Though I wouldn't set no coding as a challenge, because coding can be absurdly helpful. Like, look at this. I'm connecting Twitch chat. Yeah, coding could be both a blessing and a curse. But look at this. I can connect to the Twitch chat to the game. Isn't this marvelous? Okay, what happened? Null of setup. Okay, I'm gonna check it now, so we can have the problem for later, but I'm sure that it happened before. Line 95. Okay. So there was a parameter that was not there. Let's see it now. We can do if this actor is undefined, we alert the issue. we can print the user list. Okay, so next time the bug happens, we should be prepared, hopefully. Okay. I don't know how to fix it now, but I can make it easier for me to fix it. That's nice. Not even that difficult. I just use a variable to give a random reward room, random fight follows. Yeah, I don't mean about the randomness. More like even small coding could help in small things. Like if you want to edit the game window or something in the game window. For example, have a window taller or smaller in the menu interface. I don't know. I find it pretty useful to learn it slowly. But of course, nobody knows coding at the start. Most of people don't know coding at the start. So that's the hard part. Okay. So we want now a way to learn skills. Let's see. First of all, I need to find where... Here. Here, this saves information permanently. I think I already did something of the sort. Look at this, I did it last time. I add an item to a player. So maybe I did something to learn skills? No. Okay. So we can do something similar here. We can have player, or more like user learn skill. We can give username, skill ID, and that's it. So we can get the code from the last time, exactly like that. So first we retrieve the user. This is simple because I don't even remember how I managed this one, but here we can get the player data. Okay, the player data, I see. Here I read all the information we have here. So we can read the skills here. We don't really need to read the skills because we just need to insert a skill, but I think it's necessary in case the user has multiple skills, or the skill we are about to learn is a duplicate. Also, for people who missed it, look at this. I'm live on TikTok. Isn't this awesome? Like, I'm trying, okay, anything that can work. Also, there's a Yamfe in the background, of course. Also, it's getting a little meta. We're getting a TikTokception. Ah, no. Yes, look at this. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting overexcited for nothing. Also, I forgot to put the music today, but isn't my voice like harmonious enough? No, I'm not doing STMR streams. I'm kidding. So, here we find the information of the player, and here we check if we already have the skill ID. So we can do player data skills includes, that's how you write it, right? Includes the skill ID. So we are checking if we have, for example, the number 35 in the skills already. If we do, we don't need to do anything else. If we don't have the skill, then we need to learn it. We have player data skills.add, and we add the skill ID. And to end it all, we save it on our local file. Should be straightforward enough, right? Watch me fly. Mama, watch out, don't fly too close to the sun, okay? We just need to test if it works. I'm a little doubting on the includes, because for whatever reason I always get it wrong, but this time should be ready. Okay. Oh, shall we test it? Let's go. So, first we close the game that crashed. Here's our team. Ah, no, there's also Rex. So, for now we can only do it from here, but let's see. We can do a user learn skill. Here. Learn skill, and we say RPG Waldorf, which is me, and we learn skill number 11, the one that I said is useless. I don't remember if it checks for the right name. Yeah, here it needs the exact wording. So the uppercase W. And error. Skills add is not a function. I'm missing some. Oh, yes. Do I? There's an issue here. More like a skill issue on my side, huh? So, player... yes, wait. Maybe player data is one of those. Right, yes. So I need to get the player dot skills. That's right, though, right? Should not be a problem. Let's do it the manual way. Let's do it directly in the code. So we look for RPG Waldorf. And here we have the data. So should be like this part is working. Now if we say test dot skills, we have the skills. So maybe that includes. Why is it working all of a sudden? Now it's working. Huh? What's the issue here? Like, it was not working up a second ago. I don't get it. So we have player data dot skills dot includes, like, the error is in line 45 here. Ah no, wait. No, the issue is here. It's not add, it's push, because in JavaScript we add it at the end of the array. So now should be ready, should be working, should be magical. Well, I'm not saying that much maybe. So now we add the skill 11 to RPG Waldorf. And maybe it happened. Let's see. Here we have it! I learned a new skill! Empt I awesome. I don't think empt is a... I don't think it's an English word, but okay. We can rewrite the history. Oh, I am! Yeah, I am Italian. I am, but I'm trying to pretend elsewhere. as thing. Oh, mannaggia. I need to find a better way to learn English. This is working, but I might want to speed up a little. Would be cool. Okay, so for this, then we just need to convert it in a function. So if we add it here, we can have the protagonist learn a skill. Though we have a problem. Like, no, okay, the main issue is the game design. How do we want the player to learn it? Would be cool a way to make everyone in the party learn it. Which should be relatively straightforward, maybe? We have a list of characters in the party, right? For example, should be one of those. Here, Twitch users in chat is the variable number 1. So we can just get the list from here. Now that LeBuff Rav wrote, then the party, and they're also here. Okay, it's not readable, but I can barely see there are the names. That means we can just group this one in another function. We can instead have a function make everyone learns skill, and this is simple. We just get a skill ID. So we have first we get players is game variables. Okay, here are all the players that write in chat. So if we just loop them, how was it? I don't remember the for each. Like for each. Okay, yeah. You know what? It's easier maybe to do it normal way. So p equals 0, p minus players length, p plus plus. And here for each player, we call the function we did before. User learn skill, the current player, and we learn the skill we defined before. For example, the number 11, which does nothing, but still cool. Bro, could put us in not a word. I have no idea how I wrote. How do you even write that? Did you just copy paste random stuff from the internet? I don't know. Considering major part of the players are English here, maybe would be worth to have at least ability names to be in English. Yeah, it's my bad because I created the game in the Italian mode. I definitely need to overwrite all the names of the skills. We will definitely create skills on with time. It's not like I'm using the default skills. It would be nice though to have them for testing though. Now we have useless skill or useless skill, which is a skill that does like 9 damage plus luck. Don't tell me I'm not generous with my skills. Also can crit, so I suppose that's not that bad, right? Though it's costing like 40 mana. Oh, that's cool actually. Okay, now do we do anything else? Like, we could have like it can debuff the defense. No, too useful. Okay, though I'm not making it this easy, you know. So the idea is this one. I want that if you can guide this one towards the entrance, you will get the skill. Did you think I would give you skills for free? I will make you work. So first we need a check to see if the character is there. To be fair, I can give this one for free. Next time we can make the singular people work. For now, I just need to talk with this thing, let's say. Okay, you talk to the zombie, and everyone will learn the skill number 11. Me included. Well, everyone that is here in chat, which for now is Rex and La Buffera. So, if you want the skill, write in chat in like 30 seconds and will be yours. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, lurkers. I didn't mean to call you out. I swear it's not my intention, don't worry. Well, I don't think lurkers are interested to participate in the game anyway. They are here for the drama and that's it. Okay. Let's see now. The zombie now did not crash anything. Let's see. And now, let's see. Huh. Wait. Where are the skills? I don't see anything. Okay, something did not work. So, what is the issue? Players length, player name. Did I miss anything? Did I miss a page? Let's see. Let's try again. So this time we are going into hacker mode. Okay, not really hacker mode, but looks much complex than any RPG Maker development process. Still, what is it? Is it even the right game? This one? No. Here, this one. So we want to stop it here. Let's see what happens. And here. Let's do it again. So, it stops here. Can I remove this one? I don't really need it. Oh well. So what does it do? First, defines the players. We have Rex, Rex again, Rex again, and La Bafra. We need to fix the bug later. Now, for each of those... Oh wait, I did it again! It's not length, it's length! Okay, here. Now it should be fixed, right? Okay, now it's working. So, we have a skill learning for each of them. Well, actually, we have quadruple one for Rex, but I'm glad I did the code before to check if they know the skill already. So, that means... yes, here we are! Oh, thanks for the follow, La Bafra! I knew I had to bribe you with a new skill. I knew it. So we have La Bafra and Rex. And they both have only the skill once. We should test it in battle, shall we? And if you write useless in chat, you will use this unique skill that is barely useful. No, it's like that's actually not bad, you know, because it bypasses defense. It only attacks based on luck. Oh, it is! Yes! It works! It works! That's awesome. Well, the enemy still has too much health, though. Okay, we have it working. That's lovely. So, what do we do now? We have first to fix the bug that adds multiple people whenever I launch the game. Because the check if someone is ready in the team only happens while the game is running. To avoid those problems in the future, I suppose we should have it now. Should be relatively simple though. Let's see. We have the code when... Okay, how does it work, first of all? The game does periodically, and with periodically I mean like every second, a connection to the server that is connected to Twitch. Like, look at this, those are all the names. Can I do gacha? Gacha? For now we only have the character gacha for the stream avatars that we have above me. Though, would be cool to have a gacha in the game itself. Though, I really want to work on Twitch rewards. I want the gacha to be with channel points, so they're useful. But for that, I want to disable them when the game is not running. So I need to find a way to make the call work. For whatever reason, it's the only one that doesn't work. I don't know much code, but I think the fix is just check chat, take 3 comments if one. No, I think I know the issue. Because we already check if someone is ready in the team. But only after the team is formed. The issue is when you form the team. The issue is this. We have 2 different values. The user list and the new user list. This is the party and this is the people that just wrote a message. And we check if those are already in their team. And if they don't, we add them. The problem is that there could be duplicates here. And this will cause the issue. So let's see what we can do. Yeah, for example, if user list includes user, we add the user to the new user list. So, okay. I see. So we add the user to the we add messages to the users to add only if they are not in the main team. We have two steps here, we have two steps because we have first a list of users in the party, then we have a list to fill, and then we have a third one, the list of messages. So we need to distribute the messages in the list of new users and then put them in the user list. This is simple though, because we are only checking duplicates on the team. We also need to check duplicates in the new users list. And this should do the trick. You do have a redeem for a character gacha. Ah, that's right. You know what? I was planning to do a gacha for your avatar, because in the game you have an avatar and you cannot change it. So we could do a redeem for that. Like a free one for changing gender, and like another one for rolling and taking another sprite. We have a lot of stuff to do though. Let's see, to do. We have a list here. We have save character information after we roll them. We have a custom move to say in chat. We did this one, right? Learn skills. We also did this one. We have a roll character, a sort of gacha, as I said. Party size, we need to increase it. That's right. Spawn users. That's very cool. And the other thing I said, what was it? Oh, I think it was partially it. I don't remember. Last time though we were working on another thing, because we should return on the Twitch widget. Yeah, we have another trick up our sleeves. Let's see if I can bring it out. Why did you put a link here? Okay, like wrong one, wrong link. Okay, this is the stream, as you can clearly see. And if I look below, there is something. This one should show all the information of the skills the player has directly in your Twitch widgets. It's still in testing, as you can see, but I managed to work the connection. You can, when it's in production, check your skills directly on the Twitch interface. Isn't that cool? Like, absurdly cool or something. Ha. So, yeah, we may want to work on that now. Well, actually, if you have a suggestion, should we work first on having the showcase of this one, so we can send this one in production, instead of having this waiting test mode only for me? Or we work on the gacha for the players, like we change the avatars. You can set another avatar or even change gender. Would be cool to have this one as early as possible. I'm sorry for the Italian here, but it was for testing. This is the description of the skill, and here are the skills that will appear later. Okay. Let me see if I remember how to do this one. A skill list. Okay, perfect. So first, let's see if we manage to make it work, because it required a third step. This one. Because again, first we have the local server that the local Twitch server that reads Twitch chat and sends it to the game. Though with an issue, because this skill list should not contact my local server, because I have to expose my IP and anyone could read it. So it will read a third server online, which I already have. Hopefully we don't need any change. So first let's see where I connect. So where is it? Here. Okay, I suppose it's connecting to the test server. I think it's for the best. Then we need to run the test server as well. My hotbar is gonna be very hot in a moment. Should be master room. And now we run it with Node. Okay. We have the server that is supposed to be online running. Now we need also to run the Twitch extension. Let's see. We just need to run the index here. And now we need the last step. The game. So how does it work? I should make a graph, you know what? Because it's kinda complicated. Do we have anything to write in? Paint. I have Paint. Hi Harold, how it's going? Like, I think it's nice to showcase how it's done. So we have too many things. But here we have the game. Then we have, let's make it in purple. We have Twitch widget. The one we have here. This one. The Twitch widget. Then we have the online server. The server is hosted online. And we have the local server. I suppose we also need the Twitch icon. Pretend this is the Twitch icon. Okay, how does it work? I think this one is easier to understand, maybe. So, first of all, wait, this one. Can I go bigger? This will be enough. So, first I need to launch the online server and the local server. Then, the Twitch widget tries to read from the online server the data. But first, the game will send the data of the players, will send every information about the skills to the online server. Then the Twitch widget will read from the online server the information it has about the skills and will display it. On the other side, we have the local server that reads from Twitch chat and sends the information to the game. So this is sort of a cycle, you can see, but the Twitch chat and the Twitch widget are completely separated. They are only linked by the game itself. Honestly, this is pretty sick. Also, hi Harold, love for you. Love for Harold. I would become gay only for Harold. Okay. So now that we know how it works, and which means we need to also, for testing, host the Twitch widget locally and the online server locally. So we have like 4 things running. We have the game, we have the local server, the online server, and the Twitch widget. 4 things running on our machine, but luckily it's RPG Maker, it's very light. I like how you named the module in Italian. Okay, listen, I kinda mix things a little. Like when I do privately, I kinda forgot I need to show them later in English. I'm starting to give description of my functions and code in English, but all things never... When I'm used to something, I hardly forget. I think we ran everything. The game needs to run. Now, should send information to the server. Let's see if it has it. Here, okay, you can see here. RPG Maker just sent the information to the server. The skills of every single user. Here are the skills of every single user. For example... Well, they are listed by ID, so I don't know one that has a skill. Here, this one. For example, this is someone from before, one of the 2. And here is the information of the skill useless. The thing is, now the server has the information of the skills. And now, the widget can read them. Let's see if I update. Here we have it. We have rock, paralysis, and useless. And yo, but it's still very much interesting. Also, as a cute thing, we also have the number on the side, explaining the cost in mana. I got to interject with the fact that you shouldn't forget that Twitch chat has 5-10 seconds delay. So unless you want a Twitch play Pokemon situation, you shouldn't let chat handle movement or skill usage. Well, I will let them handle skill usage because I will have this. I will have the battle system go slowly. Like a turn might even take 10 seconds to charge. Also, if you say a skill and it will use it later, it will mostly not have an impact. Maybe the healing, but I don't think it's such a big of a deal. While for movement, yeah, I don't plan on having a movement on the Pokemon Red type. It's already programmed also. Like, if you write up, down in chat, like, try to write up, down, left, right in chat. Let's see what happens. We have left. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. This guy should move. This guy should move, but it's not moving. Well, doesn't matter because even if I programmed it, I kinda want the movement to work separately. For example, I want to spawn a new character for each user we have. And also the movement will be based on targets, not directions. So it's not like a user will write up, right, up to enter the home. No, there will be a tag above the entrance. The character will type in, and it will automatically move towards it. Which is another thing to program. You know what? We should add it to the list. Exploration. Pathfinding. Here, okay, we have it. Up. I'm sorry, I lied. It's not working. I wonder why. Maybe I removed the function. I don't know. Still, I don't want the game to be like that. Okay, so we have the skills here. I want now that you can hover the skills or tap them on mobile. And here it will appear the description instead of this Italian thing. So how do we do it? No, like genuine question. It was not a rhetorical one. How do we do it? I hate HTML. I hate it. But let's see what we can do. So first, we go in the code of the HTML page because we already have everything here. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, you see, we have the answer of the players, and here we have the description of the skills. Still in Italian, I'm sorry, but I loaded an Italian project. Still, the page also has the description of the item, so we don't need to do anything else. We have the stuff, we just show it. Did you read what I brought? Yeah, the first part. Ah, no, wait. I skipped on the move right, left. Wouldn't make sense for them to wait until the user writes what they wanna do, attack kill item or etc. Yeah, in a way, yeah, but that would completely stack the. You know what? Yeah, that's an idea. My thought was that I wanted to not let a player write every time attack. If they are out of mana, they just write attack in chat. So I wanted to make the basic attack a default thing. We could do something else, but it's a little more complex. That when you don't write anything, it waits a little and then uses the basic attack. But if it happens, you will get some. The next turn will come earlier. So in a way, it makes up for the wasted time. I still wanna keep the automatic attack because otherwise people will just spam the basic attack in chat. And it's a chaos. It's a mess. Oh, in any case, hi Danny, welcome to the stream. I read the message, but I didn't read the name. So now we want to show this one here, and honestly, I remember nothing about HTML. Let's see. First, we should open the code. Here we have it, the page. This is relatively straightforward. Also, this is just a page. Wait. We need also to get the code. So, I should add comments to this one, but this one happens when you receive the data and you display it. You can see that for every text, it displays the name of it. So this happens later. I want to add them another parameter that is something that triggers when you click on them. Let's see, we have... Let's see if I can contain them in a div. In a container, a div. That's how it works, right? Let's see. I saved. Oh, that was so close. I forgot. I forgot the Chrome tab of the unsafe pictures. I was about to show an unsafe picture on stream. Okay. My reputation was about to plummet down for a second. Oof. We are so safe. The other browser. Okay, this one. Let's see now. Okay, so adding a div did nothing, so that's awesome. XXX, not really, but like something kinda close to it. Man of culture. Now, to be fair, it's not unsafe. It's like, yeah, it's kind of unsafe. Like, it's not porn. It's like kinky giant girls or something. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Still something I would not show on stream. For the right price, at least. No, I'm kidding. So, we can try, let's see, on click, was it right? On click and we call a function. Alert 3. I hope it works. Here, yes, you see, look. It writes, it does what I want. That means we can just call any function we want by writing it here. And it will relate to each of the skills, because this gets written for every skill. Let's see now. Why do you have unsafe pictures open in your first place? I forgot to close them, okay? I forgot. I was kind of focused on streaming on TikTok as well for the first time that I forgot to close the extra tabs, you know. Some stuff that happens, you know. Should be the one error to avoid for streaming, but like, I suppose as long as that I don't make the mistake live, I want to learn, huh? We will never make you forget. Hey, at least it didn't show anything. If it shows something, would have been much worse, you know. Live fetish review. Live? I think people already know it. Then will shock you. I'm not ashamed to admit it. I like my girls big, okay? So, to the matter of show us. No, return affiliate. No. Some of those are not safe for Twitch. Not all of them, but some of... Okay, I may be a little ashamed of some of them. No. The point is, I cannot see which one to show without even opening it. So, no. Not this time. But you know what? For the next Waldorf week, I could prepare some safe ones to show as a reward. Of course, nothing for free. So it's XXX. No, not really, but some of them might not wear something. Like, to be fair, like a minor amount of them. Still, there's the risk. Your favorite fan work is 1-1 heroine. Oh, well, I kind of made a game inspired by that, you know. I made Something Is Wrong with my world map. That is a puzzle game centered around that. The wrong scale on the world map. Though my favorite fan work is not that. Honestly, right now I don't know which it is. But I like a lot of them. No, I don't remember a name I like specifically. There are some though I like more than the rest. Though I really love the Alice Magic drawings. Okay. So, to the matter at hand, let's see if we can focus. We want a function to call when we click. So we can say show description. And here it should refer to the current skill. How do we refer to the current skill? We can just have some text, right? We can just put the whole ass description here. Let's see. Skill name, skill description. How do I define the description? So description is defined desc. Okay. Okay, so now we call the function. Should be on quotes, right? Now we call the function. And let's see what happens. Show description. This is a function show description. This is the text. And for now, for testing, we go alert text. Let's see what happens. We go one step closer at least. We click. And nothing happens. Huh. I thought it would work. Let's see without the text here. Okay, here it works. So the issue is how I put the text inside. Huh. Honestly, I don't get it. What if I put the entire text here? I think I should send a parameter instead. This function has something that doesn't work. I give an enemy plus 60% evasion rate. I don't know what kind of drugs was I on. Well, it happens to a lot of people. Like, I kind of made a character that dodges physical attacks at 60%, but was more like a boss mechanic. I literally made in a collaboration game, it was more like a parachain. That is an enemy that when it's very low, it goes 60% evasion, but he only spams a single move. A powerful attack that leaves him with 1 HP. So you just wait for him to use the skill, lower to 1 HP, and you finish him off. If you are lucky enough, at least. Isn't on click supposed to be a string? Like... you know what? I don't remember. HTML and we don't get along. Let's ask internet. No, I don't want this one. Okay. Oh, yes, it was. You're right. Then we have an issue because how do I put it behind the quotes? Like we could do. Oh wait, no, we have 3 quotes. We have this one. We have the tick, the normal quotes, and the small quotes. Oh yeah, I love multiple quotes. They should invent more. They should definitely invent more. Let's see now. Let's see magic happen, please. Here, okay, we have the description. It's in Italian, but it's still working. You know what? You know what? Let's add the description to this move. Okay, we have the description. I wonder if it will update right away to Twitch. Also, here's the RPG Maker Son of Dani. And the RPG Maker Son of Return of Gideon. I forgot if I saw it. I think I did. And we fixed the bug, right? There are no multiple characters here. So we have everyone here. Ah, lovely, lovely. I love how the PNG tuber reacts to the tapping, so it looks like he's cluttering his teeth. Yeah, unfortunately it reacts to the sounds, not to my mouth. But I like the bouncy animation of someone explode. Tunophidian, you gave me a jump scare. Okay, that's actually funny. Never mind. It should be Zorded. Haha, okay. We have everyone. Though we, for now, can still allow 4 party members in the team. That's unfortunate. Kamikaze. No, there's only a nuke. You can type in nuke and you cast the skill. Or you can type useless if you learned the skill from earlier. Nuke it is, let's see. It might take a while. But we want to see the nuke. Oh wait, it didn't happen? Why is that? Wait, I'm confused. Maybe we did something. Last check of Return of Gideon? Huh. Well, we won anyway. Good job. I don't bother about the XP. It's not saved, unfortunately. Yet, I want also to save XP. Let's add it to the note, shall we? Save exp. Nice. Yeah, we killing fairies. Tunupin is happy. Wait. Let's call this one. Should we call it like? For now, it's a fairy. Okay. Later, we might change to a specific name. Will XP be saved between streams? It will, but not now. Because more new players. Well, okay, listen. Should be a collaboration game. So later, people with low XP will kind of catch up with a new one because they will get a lot of XP from new monsters, from stronger monsters, if they don't die. So I don't know. Call it Fortuna. Okay, I think it's fair. Fortuna it is. Definitely nothing personal. Since gold is technically useless, can we have like gold throw ability? Ah, that's another skill we can have. Though gold, oh, I don't know if I can make it as a. No, I think the only currency will be the channel points. Yeah. Though it doesn't make sense to add another currency in the game though. I would just remove it also because the gold is shared. Oh no, the explosion. Now the game will explode. Help. So, what were we about to do now? I kind of forgot. We gave a name to the skill. Now we need to make it appear. Okay, I remember. So, the description is here. Description. Okay. And instead of class, we should also add an ID. Description. So now we can reference this one. Unique vocabulary or something like that. What if Megumin skin for Return of Gideon? Oh, you know what? I could make like skins you can buy from channel points. Very expensive ones, like NFTs. NFTs for the Twitch chat. Or like a reward for events. I don't know. Would be kinda cool though. Like 10,000 channel points for the Megumin skin. I don't know. Looks kinda cool. The button, yeah, will enable 4+ players on screen, but I need to program it. Should not be hard because I already did something like that in That's My Exploit Keeper. Though I will see how to structure it better. NFTs all over again. Those are better, okay, those are better. Also, you cannot exchange them, so at least you will not make money off my stream. I am the only allowed to make money off my stream. And it's like 10 cents every stream. Which is still something. It's still something, you know. I'm not complaining. Like 100 streams and I make like $10. I'm gonna become rich very quickly. I'm just gonna do like a stream every 2 minutes. I stop and reboot and I will make infinite money. That's passive income, baby. I'm sitting on almost 30,000 points. I think, you know what, the NFTs for the characters is a cool idea. You cannot exchange them, so they're not really NFTs, and it's a way, it's like a money sink for the channel points. It's a good idea. So, what were we doing? Description. We need to overwrite that. So, instead of alerting the text, we overwrite. How do we do that? How did we do here? Okay. We get the element, we get the description, information. Oh, here's the explosion. I only use those for explosions though. Not even a Megumin explosion character? Like, explosion focused one. Okay, now. Here, it's the description window. And we should be able to overwrite it pretty straightforwardly, right? How was it? I forgot. It's description window dot inner text, which becomes text. That's how it works, right? Please work. Okay, we saved. Refresh. And now, useless. Nothing happens. Oh, wait, it does. Look at this. I'm clicking and it changes description. It did not update the useless description though. Maybe because we did not launch the game again? Maybe we need to reboot the server. Still, I will see how much often it will reload. Still, it works. You can see here the description of the spells by clicking. Would be even better by hovering, but I think clicking is fine by its own. We just need to remove the yo. Why is there a yo? Yo, bro. Very funny. Where's the English translation? I will do it, don't worry. I should just reload the base skills. Again, those are default spells. Rock. Paralysis. It's air damage, that's it. Also this message here. And the other one is Paralysis. Okay, those are the skills. I don't remember how they get updated. Oh, I explode, I forgot. Here are the characters. Still 4. Let's see now if it sent it to the online server. Okay, I did. Look at this. We can zoom a little. We can zoom a lot, actually. No, what did I do? No! What did I press? Okay, it's fine. I'm misclicking everything. That's such a skill issue. And now you can just click on those, and it will switch between those. Oh wait, useless doesn't write anything. Why is that? Oh, okay, no, I get it. Because it goes on a new line, so it's broken. I don't need to write in a single line, right? Because it will go automatically. Okay, so note, if you go to a new line, it will break. Now we should update. Should send to the server. Update. And now, it is. So you can see it goes on a new line automatically. I just need to improve the formatting. Oh yeah, look at this. Again, hovering would be better, but I don't remember if it's easy or not. For now it's working, we can keep it like this. And please remove the yo. Where is the yo? Where is the yo? Who brought yo? Ah, here, okay. Okay, that was kinda easy. Okay, now we have it. Now, I should be able to ask for a check and see if I can send this one to production. Though I may also want a function that says something if it's not online. Let's see. For now, how do I stop? How do I stop the server here? Let's stop the server. And we could do something when the server is not online. For example, the description should explain everything. Or you know what, even... Yo. Should we keep the yo? Maybe it could be a skill later, the yo. Yo. Why do we have a yo train? Well, I love it. What's the browser page? It's a widget for Twitch? Yes. This... here. Should appear here. Now I close the server, so it's not happening. Also, I'm the only one to see it because it's still in test mode. I need to send it to be checked. But I think I will do it after the stream. For now, we need to have some placeholder in case we are not connected. There will appear the description of the skill. And I think we should have another one here. We should have one that will disappear when we are live. So as a warning. Let's see. Maybe here. So we can write something like... turn later to see the skills of your character. Let's see if it works. Wrong one. Here. Also, this one goes a little over limit, but it's easily solvable. I will do it later though. Okay, as a warning, and we should be able to delete this one. Let's see. Can we just do content inner text? Oh, I think we can do it better. Let's see. Div ID not offline. Okay. So we can take the text of offline and remove it. And we should also manage if the server does not have information of the skills. Let's see. Let me run the server again. What is the server? This one? Yes. Run the server! Release the server! And now it should connect to the server, but not display any content, because the server does not have any information. So we can do that the message appears only if we have information. Let's see, this is I lost here. Here it's when it shows data on screen. And This is the fetch that asks information from the server. Again, we are here on the Twitch widget that connects to the online server and asks information back. The online server is always online, though sometimes it takes a while to launch. It's not a problem because only if in moments of inactivity will turn off. Because it's free. Because it's free, okay? Though the problem is when there is no connection to the game, the server will not have any information because it turns off every 5 minutes. It's free, okay? Also, we don't need it when the game is not on, so that doesn't really matter. Which means, though, we will receive empty information. We will receive nothing. So we need to distinguish when we are still waiting for the information and when we get no information. Which at the end will be the same, but we need to distinguish when we receive information that has something. We don't need alert anymore. This is the answer. And show it on screen. Okay, it receives the information only of the player. I think it's fine. After it shows the information, we could make it here that it deletes the information. Let's see. Const offline text. We get the element by ID, which is always offline. Then the offline text, inner text, will become nothing. Let's see if it works. Everything is online. Let's see. Nothing is happening. Yeah, because we are not receiving information. Okay, now I sent the information. We also got our team again. I'm sorry for the fourth party member. I'm sorry, Suyasha. You're last. Though maybe it's meta. Let's see. Remove Tunophilian. You will return later, you know. Well, it doesn't matter. We won't fight. Hello. We are, well, you're on stream. I don't think we need further explanation, right? Okay, now it should have sent data to the server, which means we will receive it. And here it is. It will remove the text, and we have the information of the skills. Rock, paralysis, and useless. And by clicking, it appears, the description appears above. Isn't this like awesome? Awesome. Like, not just awesome, it's awesome. Paralysis. Yeah, nothing weird about it, right? Return later. I just need a laugh track on the stream to make it like 10 times less funny, and would have been awesome. Come stai? Learning Italian just started. I don't know if you can learn Italian by listening to an Italian dude speaking in English. Maybe, I don't know, you may learn the pronunciation, weirdly enough, but I don't know. Still, that's awesome. We managed to make this. Now I just need to ask. Wait, does it work? It doesn't work here. Wait. We can make it work on the actual Twitch page now. We just need to change the target, because now it's working on the test URL, but we can make it work on the production URL. So we need to change it on the. We need to change it here. We need to change it here because it connects to the real one, and we need to change it here. Which let's make it more clear. Like, this is the test online server. And up until now I did this. I connected to this one instead, and I received data to this one instead. Now we need to connect both the Twitch widget to the real server and the game to the real server. I use the local one because like it's much faster to test. So I changed it here on the Twitch widget, and I need to change it from the game now. This one. Production server URL. Now should work. Let's see, I launch the game. it connects. It will take a while because it takes like even 30 seconds to launch the server, but when it's launched, it's launched. And this one should take a while, but let's see. Wait, we also need another thing. We need to send to production the changes we did here. Let's see, to each extension. I don't know. I don't think I want to send also the picture, but I suppose here are all the changes we made. And we need to say the changes go online. After it elaborates this one and it launches the server. Ah no! Who made me explode? Who is it? Return of Finian? Of course it was you. Of course. I learned through to other core workers, just speaking. Well, speaking, I think it's one of the best ways. That's how I'm learning, but there's nobody to correct my pronunciation, though. Second language for me. Third for me. Oh, wow. 3 languages, that's cool. I only have Italian and English. I kinda studied German and French, but I don't remember any of those. Even if French is... no, not French, Spanish. But Spanish is pretty simple, right? Hola, amigo, yo soy Samuele e la magno la pizza. Okay, it's kinda cheating using an Italian word, still. I think I was still wrong in something, but okay. I don't know anything else. GitHub, my love, I know. GitHub is incredible. I save all my projects here just in case. Oh no. The random waifu roulette. Okay, give me a second because I need to set up the safe guideline on TikTok. Because on TikTok there is not... I don't think it would even work on TikTok. Still. Let's see. I need to put the... I will go with the waifu gacha roulette. It's I take a random picture from my waifu folder. Though I will put a safe guideline or a safe thing on TikTok just in case. Because I cannot unshow what happens. Just in case there's a pesky unsafe picture hidden between those. Shouldn't happen though, right? Shouldn't happen. So, here it is. Let's see what waifu will we have. And it's... oh, we got Yanfei! Look at her! Isn't she so adorable? Okay, why is she having like a wicked smile this time? I don't get it. But I don't mind. She's usually not this like wicked, but it doesn't matter. Yanfei is Yanfei. She's lovely in any case, right? Here we have it. I love her. Also, she's literally the background of the TikTok stream because I don't know what to put. Like, look at this. We have Yanfei in the background. Hello. Okay. It works. It's safe. We are not dead. That's nice. So, let me remove it. And we return to the stream. Okay. So, where did we left? Apart from waifus, but waifus are always a current theme. Nice girl there. I know, Yanfei is the best! Like, I literally bought an acrylic stand of Yanfei at the last event I was last time. I would show it, but I need to set up the webcam. Maybe next time. Can I write a bit in Italian? Tell me if it's right. Sure. Just, I don't want to be a normal... I don't know. I would prefer to avoid constant Italian, so if you just do it 1 or 2 times every time. To avoid focusing the stream on a language. Ah, you're German. English and French, no Italian. Those are 4 languages. Wow. Even Rex is German. Wow, we have a full of German people too. Well, still a lot. Still a lot. She's mug. She's usually not this mug, but I love her in any case, you know. Ah, okay. To be fair, this wait for the waifu was intentional, not really, but okay, because now it should have loaded this one. Okay, yes, look at this, it loaded. Why is it double? But look, it loaded. We have rock, paralysis, useless, and them again. Huh? Why are those appearing twice? They still appear. Don't get me wrong, but like, also again, this is in the official Twitch client. Look at this, in the official Twitch client. I just need to make that you don't scroll these, but you scroll those. I want to see how to page this one better though. But you can literally, well, not now. This is still in testing, but, and I can't stress this enough, this is awesome. When this will be sent in production, anyone from the stream can look their skills up below the stream. Isn't this like crazy? Not crazy, like crazy. Wow. I suppose also should have a window for items and weapons, but also being able to equip weapons. But feels like a thing for another day. For now, we stick to skills, you know. It also made. Oh, thanks. We are not dead. That's nice. I need to write that on my office door. You know what? I also programmed the add quote thing. I could add it myself, actually. We are not dead. That's nice. Here. Should work like this. Ah, we only have 5 quotes? I also love this feature. You can write quotes and get them back. I saved a lot from games. Let's see. Quote game. And we have Marvelous! Of course. Could it not be Marvelous? If you have CSS, you can use a max width and max width. Yeah, HTML, again, we are not friendly with each other. I will try. Why are the text showing up twice now? What do you mean? Ah, yeah, here. I don't know, honestly. My suspicion is that the server got them twice. Let's see. We can directly pick in the server. If we are logged in, maybe. Shouldn't display any sensible information, right? Okay, where the hell is my server? Here. I want the log. Here. No. I swear, I don't remember how it works. But here I can see what's running here. Maybe here. No. Well, I don't know, and honestly, I don't care. Maybe a little. Oh, it's probably saving it twice, but no, I think we should check this one. Maybe if I reload. Maybe it's an issue from the launch. No, it's still this. Huh. I need to see. Wait, there is a way to see the log. What happens here? There is a way to check. I don't remember where. I swear I never use render. I just have it set up here and it works for magic, like magic. That's it. We don't need anything. The rock on the top. Oh wait, which rock? I don't know, you mean, I know this one happens twice. We have more than one. Though... There is a section that shows the log. Did it change? I don't think it did. Maybe render start. No, that's not this one. Logs, probably. Okay, we have it. Yeah, doesn't have though it. Oh, wait. No, there's an issue because we receive the messages every once in a while. And here is the information of... Wait. Receive information, and here we show what we send back. We can actually check better with this one. We open, it appears twice. Now in the console, we receive an object. And we have only 3 skills, so the issue is on the widget. We have only 3, you see? But it receives it twice. Huh? Why twice? Oh, no, okay, no, I get it. No, this is just an issue for testing. Oof. Okay, never mind, it's not an issue. Because since we connect locally, we will not provide the Twitch ID we have. Because the magical thing about Twitch is when you connect to the widget, it will automatically send the widget your Twitch ID. So we know which Twitch ID to connect from the game, because the game will also use your Twitch ID because it reads from chat. Though locally, it does not pass through Twitch. So I need to manually provide the ID. And so it calls the thing twice. It's a thing that I will remove from a test to production. It's simple. It's not an issue, it's not an error, it's a feature. No, I already made a game about bugs being features. I think I did enough. I think it's enough. Okay. So we did it. We just need to make it much better to look at. Maybe we need to add items and equipment, and maybe being able to change equipment. But that sounds like work for another time. For now, we did it. So, what should we do now? We have a lot of things to do. The rewards need to wait. We can make the user spawn in the city. Though for spawning we need a lot of work for spawning every character. We can use a plugin to spawn them, but I would prefer to have more control over it. Which is still possible. I think it's a thing for the next time, you know. Yes, I think we'll... Now, first maybe we can make a way to roll the characters. Now, first we spawn them, and then we change them. Maybe we can do both on the single stream. Okay, I think we will stop here. Let's beat up our favorite fairy for the last time. We have in the team. Oh, yes! Oh, yes, that's the team. I need to check. What happens if I type something but I don't have a turn? I think nothing. I will be added to the team, but I will not have an action. We should next time extend the sides of the team. There, it's me. Oh yeah, that's everyone. And you can type nuke or useless if you have a skill. Only Rex has it, have it now. Useless is kinda useless though. Oh yeah, Fortuna is dead. The text is still in Italian. My bad. Nuke. Wait, stop. She's already dead. I hope it doesn't count as bullying. But it's fine. Okay. Should be nuked. Oh yeah, that's how we express our friendship towards fairies, right? Okay, I think I will stop here. It was a big pleasure streaming again here. We will continue next Thursday from the next week. Tomorrow we have a game of Critipedian. And also, again, this was the first experiment with streaming with TikTok. And it was a success. Wow. Just wow. Oh no, we are starting to get meta a little more. No, next time. Okay. Should host 99999 characters in Octopath style. Octopath does not have that many. But yeah, I already did a game with that many characters, so we can structure them a little better next time. So, before we stop, we showcase again the code to raid someone. For example, we have 9 people. Whoa! Let's see. We can try to raid. We can go to Meowie. Let's go to Meowie. Okay, and it automatically starts the raid. Isn't this magical? Wow. Okay. Wow, 8 people. This never happened. Yeah, so that means people love fighting in the game, and more especially nuking fairies. Oh yeah. We should keep the trend up then. We should nuke more fairies. Okay then, thanks you guys. We'll see you whenever. Oh wait, Danny, thanks for the follow. Oh yeah. I see. So killing fairy is a positive, is a like bribing someone to join the streaming. I should do it more often. Thanks for coming by, and we'll see ya whenever it happens.